forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
We're still tracking a few spotty showers and storms up here to our northwest. We're now clear in the area after a few spotty little showers and storms earlier. But these are up around Kankakee, and they're working eastward with time. So we still may have a storm or two getting into the overnight hours to about as late as 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Then they'll diminish, and it's a little unstable out there. This is a weak disturbance, but I can't rule out an isolated, just random severe storm. There won't be very many, but you can't rule out an isolated severe storm out of these as they come through over the next several hours. Now, that said, we're going to be watching Iowa over the overnight and into early tomorrow morning, because on the edge of this dome of intense heat, you can kind of see everything working around in a circle, these storms around the ridge, which is here, that's brought all the tremendous heat from Texas up into Kansas. We're going to watch right here because as a cold front sinks southward, a little disturbance ejects out of Nebraska. We're going to see a cluster of severe storms right here form a bow, and that bow is going to work southeastward towards our area. And I think it'll make headway and kind of move like this through central Illinois and then move through about the southwestern half or 2/3 of the viewing area come tomorrow. With that in mind, we'll keep a couple isolated storms in the forecast for a little while longer, and then just some patchy fog developing tonight and muggy. Lows only right around 72 degrees, and then an enhanced risk of severe weather for part of the viewing area tomorrow. And this enhanced risk area tends to show the general track of that bow coming out of Illinois. I think generally from a Morocco to about Chalmers to about Rushville line and points southwestward, we have the best chance of getting the damaging straight line winds. That is the main threat from the line of storm. So after a high generally near 90 degrees tomorrow and a heat index near 98, and once the storms go through, we'll cool off into the 70s, and then the lingering rain will pull away in the evening. And then after areas of dense fog early Wednesday morning, some scattered showers and storms are possible as the actual cold front goes through with highs in the upper 80s. So there's a storm or two for a while tonight with patchy fog. There's the line around 1:30 tomorrow. Here we're getting towards about 2:30 roughly. This is more like 3:30. And then by 4:30, this is going to race eastward and be out of here. A little lingering rain, then it's gone. And then there's some of that dense fog forming tomorrow night. And then I think we will see some scattered showers and storms on Wednesday with highs in the upper 80s. And 82 on Thursday, a couple isolated showers and storms. And then the humidity drops and it turns cool, especially at night. Warm in the 80s during the day, but at night, hey, how about a couple nights in the 50s again before we heat up and turn muggy with some storms by the weekend, Jordan?
The rain is good, I think, this time.
Yeah, we need the rain,
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Chad.
Sure.
The 434th Air Refueling Wing is helping supply